Hello there, and thank you for joining me as I give you a demo of the Nicer e-commerce application. So before we get into the actual application, we'll start by taking a step back and just thinking about why is Nicer a thing and what are the issues, the core issues to your business that we will help you solve. As an e-commerce seller, as you know, the e-commerce space moves extremely fast and waits for nothing. There are changes being made to Amazon's search rankings, to Amazon's advertising algorithms, to what your competitors are doing that are happening on a daily basis. And if you are not aware of these things, your business either stands to lose or miss out on huge opportunities. So as an e-commerce seller on Amazon especially, you need these insights now. But the thing is, traditional analytics has an extremely tough time keeping up with this crazy worldview that you live in. So to build on that last point, in that traditional analytics has a tough time keeping up with the e-commerce Amazon worldview, we'll look at the traditional way in which businesses and teams typically get insights from data today. So again, you need insights. So what do? Well, typically either you or a data savvy member of your team goes to all of the disparate systems that house the information that you need insights from. From there, once they collect all of these different CSV files and reports, whatever it may be, then they need to spend time piecing it all together, cleaning the data, transforming the data, getting it into a format in which you can actually use to understand what's going on. Once this is done, they can actually start to build a report, start to put together information that your team can finally come back to and try and glean insights from and get the information that they need. So, I mean, really, there's a lot going on here. And for an e-commerce seller, I think the biggest faults in this process are that it's time consuming. You lose out on opportunities. There's various steps that allow for things to get lost in translation, which makes the probabilities and the chances that the insights and the reports that are actually created from this process, there may be a severe disconnect in terms of what your business actually needs and what the initial ask was for. And lastly, this process assumes that you know exactly what insights you need to run your business. And with how crazy the e-commerce worldview is, that is just not always the reality and not always realistic to have. So to summarize, in terms of getting the insights that you need from data, traditional analytics is time-consuming, labor-intensive, and doesn't help with what you don't know, which in the e-commerce world are three major bottlenecks in order for you to make the most money. Nicer, on the other hand, as we'll see, is fast. It uses natural language processing and machine learning to generate insights automatically when and wherever you need them, and also helps you understand what you may not know at the time, but what you actually need to know. So what is Nicer? Well, before we get into the actual tool, I'll give you kind of a high-level description of what the tool is. The main goal that Nicer serves to achieve is to help bring insights from data directly to you and when you need them. And we're able to do this using math. Nicer can understand the questions you have in the same way in which humans speak and think, and process this question and automatically generate the insights that you need to not only answer this question, but then also have the context so that you can move forward in the most efficient way with all of the information you need to make data-driven decisions to watch your business grow and succeed.